everybody? Today is our spring preview days. Basically, we got some equipment in. We want to show you.
It's snowing outside.
Right, I don't know what's going on here in Chicago. Usually this time last year it was like 80 degrees. We were outside, we're doing yard work.
It's middle of March right now.
Right, we're doing, we're on job sites, we're running around, we got tons of stuff going on. We're starting to get this equipment in, and we wanted to go over take the exciting stuff and tell you guys about it, give you a quick preview, because we know you're out there shopping for stuff right now. Unfortunately, you're not going to see this in action right now, but it's basically the same pressure washer that we gave an award to, the HomeLite 3100 PSI. One of the best pressure washers for the homeowner, for anybody. This pressure washer rocks.
And what we're going to be doing in a couple weeks when actually things warm up a little bit, we're going to be pressure washing a fence, a shed, some concrete, part of a garage. So that should be in a couple weeks we'll be able to do that. Yeah,
Eric's taking this one and he's just going to use it. And like I said, there's no downside to it. The only thing, I love the cable to it, but the cable on the other one started to leak after a little while. But, that's no big deal. They got this nice flexible hose. I mean, we've had some where the hose is so stiff you can't move them.
Oh, yeah.
This is flexible. I mean, this is portability right here. It's one of the best pressure washers I've seen that you can actually just, fold this handle down if you need to, or put the wand on and just, it balances great. Big off-road tires. You can get anywhere with it.
Yep.
Honda motor. Top of the line motor. I mean, the GCV 190, which is pretty much, one of the most common engines. The Chinese clone it all the time.
Old Faithful, man.
Yeah, I mean, Honda stuff rocks. With any pressure washer, you want to put water in the unit before you even turn it on. This particular unit here has an axial cam pump. But it's just a great unit. It's a big soap container right here. You can put it in there, and it automatically gives you a 20-to-1 dilution ratio, which I think is great. How much does it weigh, Eric?
67 pounds, I think.
67 pounds, so not
65
bad.
pounds. Yeah, 65 pounds.
Complete starting instructions on the side over there.
Yeah, just on and off switch. You got the choke, the gas, and boom.
Yeah, I mean, these things start and survive forever. And what I really give to RYOBI and the manufacturer that makes these for RYOBI and HomeLite is the design. It's so simplistic. It's basically just like a, like an upside down C. Like an upside down C. It's great. And the great thing I like about this is there's no walk. This thing's not moving around on you. Where you set it and put it, it's there. And when you're washing your car, I think it's a 50-foot or 25-foot hose there?
Looks like 25, but
I think 25-foot hose.
Yeah, and it is a 3100 PSI and
2.5 gallons per minute. You can't get much better than this. I think they're $2.99 or $3.99. I think it's $3.99 at Home Depot. You can get them at Home Depot. That's the only place you can get RYOBI. I think they call it RYOBI.
Really? I've always called it RYOBI.
Well, I was watching.
I mean, I'm wrong. I got the.
No, I know. I was watching Tool Select video, and the product lady was on, and she said RYOBI, I believe. Okay. I should have watched it before I watched this, because I'm probably saying it wrong again. But they're coming a long way. I mean, they're starting to be a real good premium brand.
RYOBI?
Yeah.
Well, they've always made pretty good stuff,
I mean, this is almost a professional grade unit right here. If you're a pro, a painter, whatever, you get away with this thing and you'd love it. It's a great little pressure washer.
Yeah, 3-year warranty.
3-year warranty, so we're going to get it in action and take it out there. But I'm just telling you guys right now, before we even use it, because we've used the identical model, we gave it an award.
Yeah.
It's one of the greatest pressure washers that you can buy right now. I mean, seriously,
And it's really the only two things with the pressure washer, man. Really, are the engine and the pump.
Engine and the pump, And if you got good power to it, you got a Honda.
You got a good
engine
to it.
Yeah, this thing's gonna last forever.
Yeah.
I mean,
but like you said, you gotta take care of it.
You gotta take care of it. Winterize them in the winter. Make sure that they have pump winterizing kits that you hook up to the hose and squeeze until water comes out. It's basically antifreeze that goes in the system. Good idea to fog the motors. But spring's here. Get these things rolling and check out the RYOBI 3100 PSI thing. You can get it at Home Depot, and I think they have them online too. HomeDepot.com. I think they have the HomeLites there too. They're both the same price, they're just different brands if you like red or if you like green. But this also has a couple other features that I don't know that the other one has. The idle down feature. Which I think it does. I think the other one has idle down. We haven't touched it because it's been winter, obviously. But, it's just great. So go ahead and check it out. Don't forget to check out toolsinaction.com. Don't forget we will have an in action of this probably in a month or so.
Yep.
And a write-up, which Eric's going to write on toolsinaction.com.
Cool.